Did you know AI can now create stunning art pieces with SEO techniques? Let's introduce the concept of AI art creation and its intersection with SEO strategies. As artists strive to showcase their work online, they often face challenges in effectively promoting their art to a wider audience. This is where the power of AI comes into play. Let's delve into the challenges artists encounter in promoting their work effectively online and how AI can help overcome these hurdles. With the ever-growing competition in the art world, standing out and gaining visibility can be a daunting task. However, AI offers innovative solutions to optimize art pieces for search engines, ultimately leading to increased visibility and engagement. Explore how advanced AI algorithms can be utilized to enhance art pieces for search engines, boosting visibility and attracting more viewers. By leveraging AI-driven SEO techniques, artists can significantly improve their online presence and connect with a broader audience. Now, let's highlight a case study or example where AI-driven SEO techniques resulted in significant success for an artist or art piece. This key moment showcases the transformative impact of AI on art promotion, demonstrating how technology can revolutionize the way artists market their creations. In conclusion, the benefits of using AI for SEO in art creation are vast. By embracing AI strategies, artists can reach a wider audience, enhance their online visibility, and ultimately achieve greater recognition for their work. The potential for growth and success in the digital art world is immense, with the integration of AI technologies. Encourage viewers to try implementing AI SEO strategies in their own art projects and share their results in the comments section. By experimenting with AI-driven techniques, artists can unlock new opportunities for creativity and expand their reach in the digital landscape. So, are you ready to take your art to the next level with AI-powered SEO techniques? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content on art and technology. Let's embrace the future of art together.